Make yourself a professional. Hey dear friend, dear unique, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. You told me, Amira, I'm waiting for my circumstances to improve so I can start working. Start something. What? What does that mean? You're kidding, right? You know, how long do you want to wait until the conditions will be ready for the work in your mind? How long you want to wait to start? You know, this is life. You have to start. You have to make mistakes. You have to experience. You have to learn. You have to make mistakes again and again and again and again. You know, this is life, you don't know? God, conditions are never ready. You have to prepare the conditions yourself. Where are you right now in your life? Ask yourself this question. Where are you in your life right now? Where did you stand? Look, my friend, what you achieved. Did you achieve the things you expected? No, you didn't. Why didn't you? You know why you didn't? Because you just waited and waited and waited and did nothing. You did nothing to solve the challenges, problems. That's why you are still in this situation. How long do you want to continue for the rest of your life? Where are you now? Tell me. Or tell yourself. It is now. It is the fruit of a tree you planted in recent years, you know? Look at what you planted. What work and effort have you put in? Did you do something good for yourself, for your life, for achieve your dreams, for your future? Is the fruit of the tree ripe or unripe? Tell me. Is the fruit on the tree ripe or unripe? And if the fruit on the tree is not sweet, it means you have done nothing. You don't have it because you didn't want it. You don't have it because you didn't want it. You don't have it because you didn't want it. That's true. If you want, everything will be fine. You start, take action, take the first steps and continuation. Please finish what you've started. Do not come back. Don't come back. Take action. You have to take action. You know why? You have to take action to get better along the way. You know, always remember, no one has ever been perfect or professional. From the beginning. Make your day, make yourself, make your life, and make yourself a professional. Yeah. So, dear unique, if you like my video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Write a comment for me. Thanks for watching my videos and supporting me. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.